people? It is Ali90654, and today I am here with my first video. Because seriously, Rocco, this is my first video.
Hey guys, what's up? It's SJ Puppy 1111 here. Yeah, so today we are going to be doing a video where it's a competition.
Yeah. It's gonna
It's
be
one
fun.
of the most intense things we have ever did.
I know. Very, very intense.
Okay, and only do this with your friends. Don't trust strangers with this.
Never trust strangers.
Ready to get started?
Yeah.
Okay, so I picked first game since you did last time.
Oh yeah. Oh no, the intense game. So very intense. I win!
Okay, that was a stupid move.
Victory! Okay,
You pick next game.
hold on. Commander, she's just like, type. I'm like, girl? Okay, so next game. Woo. Okay. I am the very evil person who will make you do marbles.
No, I hate this game.
I know, that's my point.
I hate you.
I'm a very evil woman.
Oh, thank you.
I know, right?
I don't know what I'm gonna do. You're both going crazy. I gotta do this. I gotta do this.
Come on.
Yay!
I got some out. You're winning for once. Like seriously, for once. I mean, if you know you at all, you know how horrible you are at this.
Hey, I'm not that bad.
I know, but I think you won once or twice, so that I win most of it.
What do you mean? You won? I won once or twice.
I was kidding. I was only joking.
What?
You missed
I
the
know.
other ones. I need to get this or else I'll die. It's do or die time. Do or die.
Let's do best out of 5.
Yeah. I win!
Come on, give me another chance.
Yay! Aren't we doing 5 games? Yeah.
Yes, 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 yes. I love you, Animal Jam.
Okay.
Yes.
Hi.
Haha. Die.
This guy wants to be my buddy. I'm gonna say yes.
But he's not a member.
I don't even care. I'm being nice.
Oh yeah,
Appreciate it, Ethan.
Okay.
Oh.
You know that's in your video. The most intense game.
No, I know it's in my video. The most intense game ever.
Yeah.
Everyone knows it's intense. It's the very most intense game ever.
Yeah.
Hey!
Fiona always does scissors.
No, I don't. That was very, very intense, Sophie.
I know, right?
I know.
The last game that I watched was
Very intense.
the last game. There's like a million ties.
Ow.
Races.
No.
No.
This is also very intense, Sophie. Are you okay that I'm saying your name?
No.
I win! Okay.
The final match, or it will be a tie.
You never know.
Yes.
You won! Okay, so what's the scoreboard?
I'm gonna. So it's 3 to 3 right now. Hold on. Don't do anything. I'll be right back.
What are you doing? What? No!
Go grab a popsicle.
There's a pets only party.
Yeah, go there.
I don't feel like it. Okay.
Stop singing.
Okay. showing these people the rare today.
Wait, what rares today?
There's a rare bowler hat.
Is it worth it?
It's $500. 500 gems. I think it's worth it. Okay, so
Can you go get one for me?
no. You can get it after this video. So
I am venting my black tutu.
So I am going to do a rare giveaway, and that giveaway will be. Okay, let's see which one I want to give away. Which one data? Okay. I have decided on my giveaway. I'm going to give away this rare bowler hat. So if people comment, then I comment something, and I'll pick a random comment, and then there's your giveaway.
And you have to put
you have to put your Animal Jam username on it, or else you won't be able to get it. So
Yeah, I'm pretty sure the majority of people have it by now.
I don't even care.
And also, if you want,
You know what? I'll do a different giveaway.
No, you actually could go to my account if you want.
No, not now. No.
Okay, so, because I'm pretty much made out of rares. Come on, next game.
Okay, hold on. I'm going on to my brothers.
Next game.
So I can actually give them away something good. Okay, so the other giveaway
I
is
have
canceled.
epic things. But no rare Spartan armor, I love it.
Okay, fine, I won't. So I'll give away something else then, because apparently a majority of people have that.
Ooh, how much damage do I get? Yeah. How much damage do I get?
Okay, after the day
Could you buy me 3 more and then I can get a link? Maybe.
Okay, and I can give some links to your channels.
This.
Okay, we have. Okay, let's see what we got here.
Comment what you want, but no rare Spartan armor.
So you guys can comment what you want and give the Animal Jam
show them the names.
the username. So your choices are the rare winter hood, the rare leprechaun hat, rare mech angel hat helmet, rare antenna headband, rare construction hat, rare hat and curvy wig, rare friendship mustache. Okay, I won't do that one.
No Spartan armor.
Oh yeah, no Spartan armor. Okay.
And we also could.
That's pretty much it.
And also the Phoenix.
And we can also give you the Phoenix armor. So yeah.
Well, because I lost some of it, but I get to keep some of it. I only get 1 card.
So we will only give you 1 card. You have to request a card. Remember to put your Animal Jam stuff.
Yeah, but not the
down.
gauntlets or necklace.
Sophie, are you still on?
Yeah, I'm still here. I'm just waiting for you.
I sent you a buddy request from Ethan's thing.
Alright.
Okay. I'm going to your dad now. So now let's get on with this video.
Yeah, by the way, I've been waiting here for like 500 minutes, so let's just get started.
That's an exaggeration, Sophie.
It says you can't play, alright? Come on.
Okay, what do you want to play?
Oh, I'll
I'm
send.
ready now.
Oh, you could send what you want. Okay, if you want.
Okay.
People might be requesting my Phantom armor.
Oh, and by the way, people, you cannot request the Phantom armor or anything we didn't say you can request. So yeah.
And in another video, I might have a spare part of Phantom armor, and I could give that.
So we might have a spare part of Phantom armor sometime. Okay, fine. Fine. I'll get on with it. Let's do the most intense game in the world!
You just did that. Here, I choose that game.
Oh,
Even though
the the shell game. I love that.
Okay, let's see
But I
this.
love it at the same time. Okay.
You're confusing me, Ethan. Oh, I got confused.
How come we can't play?
What do you mean?
I think it crashed. Wait, I won.
Boom!
I won.
No, Fiona, you won because I left.
Oh.
You could log out.
Because my game was lagging.
Okay. Log out.
Oh, my game's lagging too. Oh my god.
Log out.
Tie right now. We need a tiebreaker. Yeah, we definitely need this tiebreaker to happen. I mean, like, seriously.
We need to play Scoop.
Yeah. The epicness of epicness. Come to Ethan's den. Oh, look, Ethan has a glitchy portal.
Yeah, I like it for some reason. Hey, just go to a different zone.
Guess what, Ethan?
Okay, Fear, go to a different zone.
I want to do a mail turn so
Go
bad.
to my,
Yeah.
Calling Phantoms is my favorite game!
Should we really care?
I just like it, I'm the Phantom King.
Okay, that volume is seriously bothering me. Dude, we're in the middle of a game. Can you, like...
Hi, Daddy.
Sophie. Sophie. Sophie! We need to get on with this intense game. Seriously. Are you crazy? She's not dead.
Check if she's still on.
She is.
Is she still doing video chat?
Let's see. Sophie. Oh. Can you put me on mute? How can someone mute me? That's... Okay.
Pretty much every Phantom thing.
You're the Phantom King.
Yeah.
Sophie, I need to end the video soon. Okay then. So we're going to end this video now.
Because of technical difficulties.
No, not technical difficulties. And we'll show you the epic battle later.
Next video.
Yeah.